Yeah, you could even like twist a little bit. And then you'll see the ends of my other wires are kind of stepped down. You don't want to have any big sharp edges that are going to get caught up in your conduit somewhere. So you kind of want to gradually step all these wires into the pole. Alright, so I'm going to be installing some of these Victron 600 amp 8-pole bus bars for my battery cables. It's a little bit overkill, but this is all I could find in stock. So I've got 2 of these bus bars, which I'm going to be connecting my battery cables to, and in the future I'm going to be connecting an EG4 charge inverter to, so I can use my cheap little standby generator to charge up the battery bank.